In this Cinemagic Bundle review, I'm going to be showing you what they're saying is the easiest and fastest way to create studio quality videos for any need in any niche. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Cinemagic Bundle, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the fastest and easiest way to create studio quality videos for any need, easily creating highly engaging videos for any purpose with a simple drag, drop, and replace. Create unlimited high quality videos and graphics, done for you templates. It works in all niches, full HD resolutions, embed videos inside your projects, multi-purpose high quality animations, step-by-step tutorials on exactly how to do this. So you choose from the hundreds of templates, and then you can easily customize them. You can change their text, graphics, videos, colors, and more. And then you can publish your projects and use them however you want. So you can use them for sales videos, YouTube videos, business presentations, social media, webinars, video thumbnails, anything essentially that you want to use this for, you can. They go over the features again here. You can see some actual examples of these templates. So when you go to the sales page, you can actually watch and see what these are. And remember, you can go and you can edit all that. You can change everything inside of this. You get the presentation templates, video thumbnails, all these things included right inside of this front end offer. You can see it just kind of goes on and on and on. So much included here. So you get the high quality video graphics and presentations done for your templates, all of these things here for a limited time price. It's going to keep on going up throughout the product launch. And it says, how can you edit this? You can edit it with your PowerPoint software. Pretty much any of these Keynote PowerPoint softwares, you should be able to edit these with and have everything easily that you can change it out and make it just completely your own. So what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Now anyone can easily create amazing studio quality videos just like this. But that's just the beginning. With Cinemagic Bundle, you can also create captivating promo videos, YouTube videos, presentations, video thumbnails, social media design, YouTube channel art, subscribe animations, end screen video, animated lower thirds, logo openers, motion elements, and video transitions, and countdown videos. All of this can be done using only PowerPoint. Introducing Cinemagic Bundle, the comprehensive tool that not only helps you create videos for product promotion, YouTube, and social media, but also assists with your overall branding, including thumbnails, video intros, outros, and more. You may be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but I hate techie and complicated stuff. Don't worry. We've made Cinemagic Bundle extremely user-friendly. In fact, you can get started with it in just 3 simple steps. Choose one of our proven high-quality templates. Customize every aspect of your video, text, color, graphics, video, etc., and export your video into a high-quality format. The best part is that no experience with traditional video software is required, as it's all done using only PowerPoint. No additional plugins or add-ons necessary. This is the PowerPoint breakthrough the world has been searching for, and the possibilities are truly endless. But don't just take our word for it. We've helped many people already, and we're confident we can help you too. So say goodbye to hassle and hello to peace of mind. What are you waiting for? Download Cinemagic Bundle now and start creating professional, cinematic videos and presentations in minutes.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, and you'll be able to go in here and actually be able to access all the different modules here and get access to your product. Then there are multiple upgrades. So the front end offer is going to be around $22. Then there's going to be a dime sale with the pro version of the software. And if you say no to that, they're going to give you a discount. So make sure you do that. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. Then the last one here is a bundle. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about a Cinemagic Bundle and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about it, like I usually say with these kind of products, if you're expecting a software that you can play around with it, this isn't a software. It is a set of templates. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? I always say this as well. Just because it's not a software doesn't mean that it's not as good as anything else out there. Remember, if you're used to using something like PowerPoint and you don't have to go and learn a new software to be able to use these, it's just drag and drop simple to make your changes. If that sounds like something you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Cinemagic Bundle review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.